How was your meeting with the client today?
It went well. They were interested in our proposal.
Did you finish the report on market trends?
Yes, I emailed it to the team this morning.
What do you think about the new software update?
It's much faster and the interface looks cleaner.
Are you joining the brainstorming session later?
I'll be there. I've got a few ideas to share.
Have you checked the analytics from last week?
The engagement rate increased by 15%.
What's your plan for the presentation tomorrow?
I'm focusing on the key metrics and visuals.
Did you see the feedback from the training workshop?
Most participants found it helpful and engaging.
How's the progress on the new campaign?
We're finalizing the visuals and copy today.
Are you working on the budget forecast now?
I'm reviewing last quarter's numbers first.
What did the manager say about your proposal?
She liked the concept and asked for a few tweaks.
Have you scheduled the team meeting yet?
It's set for Friday morning in the conference room.
What's the status of the client onboarding?
They've completed the paperwork and training.
Did you update the project timeline?
I added the new milestones and shared it.
Are you preparing the slides for the webinar?
I'm designing them with a clean layout and icons.
What's your take on the competitor's strategy?
They're focusing heavily on influencer marketing.
Did you get a chance to review the contract?
I highlighted the clauses that need clarification.
Are you handling the social media posts today?
I've scheduled them for the afternoon.
What's the feedback on the new logo design?
The team prefers the minimalist version.
Did you attend the leadership workshop?
It covered communication and decision-making skills.
Are you working remotely this week?
I'll be in the office on Wednesday and Friday.
What's the next step in the hiring process?
We're shortlisting candidates for interviews.
Did you finish the customer survey analysis?
The results show a high satisfaction rate.
Are you collaborating with the design team?
We're aligning on the visual direction today.
What's the deadline for the product launch?
It's scheduled for the end of the month.
Did you read the article on workplace culture?
It emphasized transparency and employee recognition.
Are you updating the training manual?
I'm adding new sections on digital tools.
What's your approach to time management?
I prioritize tasks and block time for deep work.
Did you join the virtual networking event?
I connected with professionals from different industries.
Are you preparing the monthly performance review?
I'm compiling data from all departments.
What's the goal for this quarter?
We're aiming to increase user retention.
Did you finalize the partnership agreement?
The legal team approved the final draft.
Are you designing the new dashboard layout?
I'm using a grid system for better readability.
What's your strategy for content creation?
I focus on relevance and audience engagement.
Did you complete the onboarding checklist?
All tasks are marked and submitted.
Are you attending the client dinner tonight?
I'll be representing our team at the event.
What's the update on the app development?
The beta version is ready for testing.
Did you revise the marketing pitch?
I added more data points and visuals.
Are you working on the quarterly newsletter?
I'm drafting the main articles today.
What's your feedback on the new workspace?
It's spacious and encourages collaboration.
Did you check the email from the vendor?
They confirm the delivery schedule.
Are you planning the team building activity?
We're organizing a creative workshop.
What's the status of the funding proposal?
It's under review by the finance committee.
Did you analyze the user behavior data?
It shows a spike in mobile usage.
Are you updating the client database?
I'm verifying contact details and preferences.
What's your role in the upcoming seminar?
I'll be moderating the panel discussion.
Did you test the new feature on the platform?
It improves navigation and user experience.
Are you preparing the annual report?
I'm gathering insights from each department.
What's your opinion on hybrid work models?
They offer flexibility and better work-life balance.
Did you attend the product demo yesterday?
It showcased the latest functionalities.
Are you coordinating with the HR team?
We're aligning on recruitment strategies.
What's the feedback from the beta testers?
They like the intuitive design and speed.
Did you update the company profile?
I added recent achievements and milestones.
Are you working on the client retention plan?
I'm mapping out personalized engagement tactics.
What's your focus for this week?
I'm optimizing the workflow for better efficiency.
Did you join the cross-functional meeting?
We discussed collaboration and shared goals.
Are you reviewing the compliance checklist?
I'm ensuring all protocols are followed.
What's your strategy for lead generation?
I'm targeting niche markets with tailored content.
Did you finalize the training schedule?
It includes sessions on tools and soft skills.
Are you managing the internal communications?
I'm drafting updates and announcements.
What's the update on the rebranding project?
We're selecting new colors and typography.
Did you complete the performance appraisal?
I submitted it with detailed feedback.
Are you preparing for the client presentation?
I'm rehearsing key points and transitions.
What's your take on the new collaboration tool?
It streamlines tasks and improves visibility.
Did you check the feedback from the survey?
Most responses were positive and constructive.
Are you organizing the knowledge sharing session?
I'm inviting speakers from different teams.
What's your role in the product launch event?
I'll be handling logistics and coordination.
Did you update the risk assessment report?
I included new scenarios and mitigation plans.
Are you working on the employee handbook?
I'm revising policies and formatting sections.
What's your approach to team motivation?
I recognize efforts and encourage open dialogue.
Did you attend the strategy planning meeting?
We outlined goals and key performance indicators.
Are you preparing the client success story?
I'm writing a case study with metrics.
What's your feedback on the training module?
It's interactive and easy to follow.
Did you finalize the event agenda?
It includes keynote sessions and workshops.
Are you updating the project documentation?
I'm adding recent changes and notes.